There are both positive and negative things about probate. The common problems with probate that are identified are first cost. It costs something to probate an estate. There are filing fees involved, there are frequently bonds involved, there are executor fees involved, there are publication fees involved, publication for creditors, publication sometimes for heirs, and then of course there are executor fees and attorney's fees involved with the probate process. The other downside about probate is delay. Probate takes time. It's a legal process designed to give creditors and heirs an opportunity to step forward and state what they're owed, to make complaints about the handling of the estate, and such as that. And those things require them to receive notice and build in time delay so they have an opportunity to step forward and state their claims. That delay, while it's good for the creditors and the possible heirs, it can be bad and frustrating for people generally in an estate. And so generally that is seen by most people as a negative part of the probate process. Now, certainly there are good things about the probate process. The probate process is the exclusive place for creditors to make claims against an estate. And the probate process will bar any creditor claims that are not timely filed. A timely filed claim must be filed within 90 days of the first publication of a debt of common publication where the probate is pending. And so claims made 91 days after are completely barred by the estate. The other positive thing about the probate process is it does provide protection of court order for anything that is distributed. In other words, a distribution is not going to be drawn into question because there will be a court order after the legal requirements have been jumped through or handled in the proper way. The court order will state exactly how the assets are to be distributed, and someone won't be able to come in later, possibly months or years later, and second guess how that was done. So there are positives and negatives to the probate process. But generally speaking, most people would prefer, if they could, to handle their estate outside of the probate process.